What's going on YouTube? It's JB Tech Fanatic and I'm back again with another video. First, as always, I want to thank each and every one of you for checking this video out. For those of you that have subscribed to my channel, I am so thankful for you. I would be honored if you have not yet subscribed for you to do so. Don't forget to mash that thumbs up and click that notification bell so you know when the latest videos drop. Guys, as you know, if you've been following my channel, I've been talking about the all-new 2018 Q9 TV by Samsung. This is one spectacular TV, but one of the biggest benefits had yet to be launched. But today, I checked for the software update, guys, and it has arrived. We now have full VRR, variable refresh rate support, with the Xbox X, which means that we can now, with actually still using HDMI 2.0, get 120 hertz gaming. That is insane. Plus, it also came with the FREESYNC update for PC gaming. So let's go through very quickly and I will show you how to make sure to get that update and that everything is turned on correctly so you can take advantage of that. Then I will be working on my latest gaming video with this TV. That should be dropping in the next 2 weeks or so. But for right now, let's go ahead.
Alright guys, let's get this update done. So first thing you want to do is you want to hit the menu button on the one remote and scroll over to settings. When you're in settings, drop down to support, over to software update, and what you want to be on is 1103, as you can see right there in the corner. Once that is complete, now you have the software that has the VRR. Now just go ahead and back out, go to General, go to External Device Manager, make sure that your HDMI UHD color is on, and then go to Game Mode Settings. Now real quickly, as you can see, you can now see that it says FreeSync. So when we click on this, go ahead and put Game Mode on Auto. This is great because it's going to kick on game mode. It will know whether or not you're watching a Blu-ray in your Xbox X or you're watching a game, so you don't have to worry about it. And settings and all that fun stuff we will go over in the game video that I'll have coming soon, but this is where those are there. Now that we're done with that, I have the Xbox X, so when you go ahead and you go to the settings, let's get there real quick, wait for that to focus. Now, as you can see, where it says video output, you're going to click on there, and there it is, guys. Beautiful, isn't it? 120 hertz. That is insane. Again, guys, they have found a way to do this with HDMI 2.0, but you see 120 or 60, you of course would pick what you want, and then you have your 4K UHD, and we are ready to rock. Exciting day. I just wanted to get the news to you guys, but that's all you have to do to be up and running.
Alright, well, I hope you're as excited as I am, and I hope this was enough to get you up and running. Don't forget to keep an eye out for my video on gaming with the Q9F. Guys, there's so many tragedies that continue to happen in this world. I want to just take this time to remind you, life is so short. Love your family. Love your neighbors. Take time to love life and enjoy life. Smile. Go out today and do something and just change someone's day by doing something nice for someone. I am so honored that you took the time to watch my video, and if you need any help at all or have any questions about this TV or the Xbox X, please reach out to me in the comments section. I will answer the best of my ability. I'm here for you. I do YouTube for you and you only. Guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and mash that thumbs up. I can't wait to see you in the next video and talk to you in the comments. And until then, this is JB Tech Fanatic. You guys stay safe. Peace.